Hi, in this video we want to talk about validating the data. So we will talk today about all values, whole number and decimal. By default you can insert here any values, all values, like letters. Let's increase a little bit, so we can insert here letters, numbers, okay, decimal numbers, signs, and so on. If we go to data validity, by default you can see it's allow all values. So by default all the cells are allow all values. So this is here, letters, numbers, and so on. Here we want, for example, we ask someone what is your age. We want whole number, okay. So we go to data validity. From here we want whole number. We don't want to allow empty cells. A person couldn't have no age, so we don't allow that. We don't want a specific age to be equal with something. We want to be in this range from 1 year to, I don't know, 120. I don't know how many years a person could live. So let's see now. Let's insert -10, invalid. Okay, so it's not okay because we cannot live minus 10 years. Let's insert 200. It's invalid. Now let's add 20. It's okay. 40, 41, 42, and so on. Everything is okay. If we want 42 and 6 months, is not valid because we want whole number. Okay, so let's modify data validation. We want whole number, not empty cells. We want to be a valid range between 1 and 130. We can insert here some help, like insert your age, insert your age in full years, round the month to next year. Okay, so when we click here we have some info about what to insert here and what to insert. Also we can show an error message. We stop the person to insert, or we can just make a warning, for example like that. If we cancel, we come back to the previous value. Let's try again. If we click OK, it's inserted, but if we validate the page, tools, detective, mark invalid data, we can see it's not okay. So let's go here. Let's change information. It's not a warning, it's an information. 300. I have an info here about that. With cancel, I cancel the inserting the wrong age. With OK, I insert that. Okay. And here I could have the age is wrong. please insert the right value. And now if I insert 400, please insert the right value. Okay. Let's go to tools again. Invalid data, it's invalid. Let's go to decimal. I want a price here. Okay, so let's go to tools, data, validity, decimal. The price should be minimum 0, and I don't know, we work until 1000 euro, so it's not allowed to insert more than that or less than that. It's not negative, and also is not more than 1000 euro. So let's verify again. Error, I want a warning. So I have a number 1001, invalid. Let's have 50 and 50 cents. It's okay. It's okay because it is between 0 and 1000. Minus 1, invalid. If I don't allow this value to be inserted again, here I change to stop. So 0, it's okay. Minus 1, invalid. I don't have the option to cancel because anyway will be cancelled. I will get the same value that was before. So that was all about numbers. If I want here a precise number, I can change here, for example, equal with 5. If I insert 5, it's okay. If I insert 6, it's invalid, and so on. Or I could choose an invalid range. If it's between 1000 and 999, this number will be invalid. So 9000, it's invalid. 1050, invalid. 500, it is valid because it's not in this invalid range. Okay, so in the next episode we will talk about date, time, and so on. I hope this video was very clear and very helpful in order to check your data. And now let's check before we close. Let's check if we have invalid data. We don't have any invalid data because the whole number here, it's 30. It's in this interval, in this valid range, and the same here, 500. It's not in this invalid range. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video. Thank you.